So first statement ಏನಿದೆ, so 1 power 9 plus 2 power 9 plus 3 power 9 plus 4 power 9 up to 100 power 9 is divisible by 10,100 ಇದೆ. So first ನೋಡಿ, so a power n plus b power n is divisible by a plus b if n is odd ಆದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ. n is odd. If n is even ಆದ್ರೆ so divide ಆಗಬಹುದು, divide ಆಗದೇನೆ ಇರಬಹುದು a plus b ಇಂದ. Okay, ಅಂದ್ರೆ a plus b is the factor of a power n plus b power n when n is odd. n is odd. So ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. So r power 9 minus plus 100 minus r, so whole power 9 is divisible by what? Compare ಮಾಡಿ. So compare ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Divisible by what? a power n plus b power n when n is odd. So a power n plus b power n divisible by what? a plus b. a plus b is what? 100 r plus 100 minus r. Andre so divisible by 100. Divisible by 100. So r running from so 1 to 49. 1 to 49. So we got suppose so a is divisible by b. So next a is divisible by c. a is divisible by b plus c. a divides b, a divides c, a divides b plus c. So right, process ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So right, so 1 substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, r is equal to 1 power 9 plus so 99 power 9 is divisible by 9 plus 2 substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ so 2 power 9 plus so 98 power 9, so 98 power 9. Ready? So 100 is divisible by 1 power 9 plus 99 power 9. So 100 is divisible by 2 power 9 plus 98 power 9. So 100 is divisible by sum of 2 numbers. Adhe riti sum of 3 numbers, sum of 4 numbers, sum of 49 numbers kuda divide ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ 100. Okay na? So ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇದು 49 power 9 plus 100 minus 49 is so 51. So 51 power 9 is divisible by what? So 100 is divisible by 100. So moreover, so 50 power 9 plus so next 50 power 9 plus 100 power 9. So 100 power 9 is also divisible by so 100 because a power n plus b power n is divisible by 100. a power n plus b power n is divisible by 100. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಈ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎರಡು ಸಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಎರಡು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ a is divisible 100 is divisible by b, so 100 is divisible 100, so 100 divides this much, 100 divides this much. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ so total ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 power 9 plus so 2 power 9 plus 3 power 9, so up to 100 power 9 is divisible by what? Divisible by so 100. Correct? Is divisible by 100. Okay na? So again so ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು r power 9 plus 100 minus r whole power 9 is divisible by 100 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಈಗ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ನೋಡಿ. So r power 9 plus so 101 minus r so whole power 9 is divisible by what? Is divisible by what? a power n plus b power n is divisible by ಏನಿದೆ r power 9 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಡಿದ್ಯಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. So 101 is divisible by 101. So r running from so 1 to 50 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು sum is also divisible by ಅಂದ್ರೆ r is equal to 1 quarter 1 power 9 plus so 100 power 9 is divisible by 100, so sorry divisible by so 101. So next 2 power 9 plus so 99 power 9 is divisible by 101. Agare sum is also divisible by so 101. Agare enagutte idu so 1 power 9 plus next 2 ಕೊಟ್ರೆ so 99 so next highest ಇದು 100 power 9 plus so 2 power 9 plus so 99 so ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಕೊಟ್ರೆ so 99 power 9 so right so 99 power 9 so up to so on so 50 ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ so 50 power 9 so here 51 power 9 is divisible by what? Divisible by so 101, right? Ready? So one number is divisible by 100. So the same number is divisible by 101. So then this number is divisible by also divisible by 100 into so 101. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ so ಈಗ ಬರಿಬಹುದಾ so 1 power 9 plus 2 power 9 so up to so on 100 power 9 is also divisible by so divisible by so 100 into 101 100 into 101 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 10,100 so right here ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ some numbers is divisible by 100 this the same sum is also divided by 101 so this number is divisible by product of these two numbers this is multiplication theorem ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 10,100 this is divisible by 10,100 ಹಾಗಾಗಿ statement 1 is true ಇನ್ನೇನಿದೆ statement 2 ಏನಿದೆ so a power n minus 1 is always divisible by a minus 1 ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕಂದ್ರೆ so a power n minus 1 is divisible by a minus 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ so a power n minus 1 having one of the factor is a minus 1 ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು ಓಕೆನಾ ಸೊ ಇದೇನಿದೆ a power n minus 1 ಇದೆ ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ n is equal to 1 2 3 ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ n is ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ n is equal to 1 ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು so a minus 1 ಆಯ್ತು ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ so a minus 1 is divisible by a minus 1 yes next suppose n is equal to 2 so a square minus 1 is equal to a plus b into a minus b so ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ a minus 1 is the factor of a square minus 1 ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ a square minus 1 is divisible by a minus 1 suppose n is equal to 3 so what happens 1 cube minus a cube minus 1 cube formula so a minus 1 into a square plus b square plus ab so a minus 1 is the factor of a cube minus 1 so therefore a cube minus 1 is divisible by a minus 1 right ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ n is equal to 4 ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಕೂಡ so a power 4 minus 1 ಅನ್ನು ಏನು ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು 1 power 4 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ಏನು ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು a square plus 1 into a square minus 1 ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ a plus b into a minus b ಅಂದ್ರೆ so a square into a square a power 4 so minus 1 square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ a square plus 1 into again a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b a square minus 1 is the factor of so a power 4 minus 1 therefore so a power 4 minus 1 is divisible by a minus 1 in general so a power n minus 1 is equal to a minus 1 into so a power n minus 1 plus a power n minus 2 plus up to so on a power so right so a power n minus 1 is a 1 so right this is the a power n minus 1 formula a minus 1 into a power n minus 1 plus a power n minus 2 so a power n minus n ಆಗುತ್ತೆ a power n minus n is 0 and a power 0 is 1 ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ a minus 1 is the factor of a power n minus 1 so therefore so a power n minus 1 is always divisible by a minus 1 so okay ಹೌದಾ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ statement 2 is true but statement 2 cannot explain statement 1 ಹಾಗಾಗಿ statement 1 and statement 2 are true statement 2 is not correct explanation of statement 1 ಹೌದಲ್ಲ statement 1 statement 2 ಎರಡು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದಾವೆ but statement 2 is not explanation of statement 1 ಹಾಗಾಗಿ option 2 is right answer. So statement 1 is true, statement 2 is true, statement 2 is not the correct explanation of statement 1.